Hi, welcome to my channel Electron Tech here, and in this video session we are gonna see how to install Git on our Windows voice. This will be in the form of series. I will be making so many videos on handling this Git repositories, how to create branches, how to work with branches. So I will be adding from few more videos to the same content. I will make it as a playlist. So this is the first video on that particular playlist. So I will name the playlist as how to Git. So we will be learning out how to work out with Git and Git repositories, how to handle the Git repositories, how to create and update our Git repository. So the reason why I'm doing this video series is I did not found any good tutorials on adding Git and working out with the Git repository. So I thought it will be helpful for the people who have doesn't have much experience with Git and who are starters or beginners who want to learn Git. It will be a most useful step. So in this video we are gonna see how to install Git on Windows voice. So simply go and open your browser and give something like a Git download. So it will give some blanks to you. So in that the first link, Git downloads, Git SEM. Go and click on that link. It will take you to the download where you can download the Git installation file according to your OS. If you're on a Mac OS, just go and click on Mac OS, or if you're using a Ubuntu or Linux systems, just download this Linux exe file. So right now I am on Windows, so just I'm downloading that. So you can download a 32-bit version or 64-bit version file. So it automatically identifies your OS and it downloads the required file to you. Right now I do have the same file in my, so I already downloaded that, the Git file. So it will not take much of your time. So if you can see here I downloaded the Git. Just go and double click on that. So when you do that, you go and install, just go and click next and install default format. So once you are done with that, so just double click and it will take you to the prompt like this. So go and click next. So use the Git prompt. So I'm going with the default settings. I'm not going to change any settings in this. Right now it is just installing out the Git on my Windows OS. So it will take some time after the installation. Right now I already had that, so I'm just cancelling it out. Next I'm cancelling it out, yes. So once you're done with this installation, you will have good Git files on your folder. So oh, let me see. Let this go. Git. Oh fine, it is asking me to download install it again. So I'm just installing it right now. Next. So it is asking me that there is already a folder exists with the name Git. So do I need to install? One second. So I'm just clicking on this and I'm just going with the default one. So I'm not making any changes here. So it will take very less time, or it will take a long time. That depends upon your internet speed. So it will download all the required files. it already. So yeah, it's finished up the installing Git in my Windows OS, so it will ask to launch Git Bash or not. So we have release notes, so I'm not going to do anything, so just go here, so you can see the new files whatever installed in your Windows OS. So git cmd, git ui, and git bash. So whatever git bash is something like so if you have an experience with working with the Linux systems and Ubuntu system, so git bash is a kind of that thing, so we can directly work out just like a Linux Ubuntu system. So you can create you can check out the PLD, present working directories, all the Linux commands works in this git bash. So whatever we will be working from now, we will start working from here itself. So for now here itself I will create a directory, so we can know that all the Ubuntu or Linux commands will work here. Test, yep. So I just created a directory with test, and so ls, so you can find over here somewhere the name test. Yep, you see it is here. So like this you can create all the Linux and Ubuntu commands will work over here. So from now we will be working out or executing out all our git commands, or we will work out with the git codes from this git bash itself. So if you had some time, go and check out with this other two also, what is git cmd and what is git ui. Git ui is something like just a user graphical user interface. You go and drop all your files over there, but I suggest you people just go and work out with only git bash. So I hope you are okay with this video and start working with Git repositories. So in our next session, I will be creating out the central Git repository or the root Git repository or the project, whatever be the name, and we will start working with that. Thanks for watching my video and have a good day.